Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be on the second page, as you can see right here, battery saver. Once you find it, tap on it, select turn on, and there we go, we are now in power saving mode. Now, as you can see, there's not much info about it, but one thing that it does, which I would consider might be a thing worth mentioning, would be that when the device goes to sleep, meaning when it's basically locked and you're not using it, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. So that basically disconnects you from any kind of internet. And if you rely on notifications, if you are waiting for messages that will rely on internet connection, then you will be waiting for them for a while, because your device basically has no internet connection at that time and thus cannot sync anything up. Now, it automatically reconnects to mobile and network the moment you wake up the device, waking it up meaning as it is, for instance, right now with the screen light up, and basically you can use it. So it will automatically reconnect. So just keep that in mind, so you're not later on in the realization that people are trying to get a hold of you through, I don't know, Messenger or something like that, and you just weren't receiving anything. But anyway, once you're done with this, you can simply turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. As you can see, it turns off. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.